Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube tutorial in Canva. So today's video we are going to be talking about how to mask an object in Canva. So I'm going to be showing you how to mask this particular image onto a desktop screen, onto a mobile phone screen, into a number, into different shapes, and even into letters. So without further ado, let's dive in. So go to Canva, click on create a design and select Instagram post. So we are going to click on elements. We are going to add a shape. So we are going to click on elements. We are going to add a shape. We are adding a shape so that we can easily see what is at the back of. We are going to be using this shape as the color of our background so that we can easily see the object we are masking above. So we're going to draw the shape, enlarge it, stretch it out. Alright, so let's get to the exciting part of this video. So now for you to create different mask for an object, what you have to do is you go to elements. Under elements you scroll up, or you scroll down rather, and you want to look for frames. Yeah, this is frames. So you're going to click on see all. When you click on see all, Canva is going to show you different options you have there. If you want a mask that looks similar to a circle, you're going to have something like this. If you want something that is similar to a sticker, you see something like this. So now let's add them one by one. I'm going to reduce the size. So I want us to explore the different examples we have and how to use and edit the image. So I'm going to undo that. That was a mistake. So I'm trying to resize it by holding the edge of the shape and dragging it inwards. So I'm going to look for another one. Okay, this is for an eye mark. Yeah. So I'm also going to reduce the size, drop it to one side of my screen. This is for mobile screen. So this is for a laptop. I'm going to reduce the size. You can keep it somewhere here. Alright, we can also have triangle. So basically different shapes you have. Just keep scrolling through and you're going to see the different numerous options that Canva would give to you. So which other one have we not explored? Okay, I think I did. Yeah, this also. So there are various options anyways. The most important is knowing how to edit them, which I'll show you in few moments if you stick with me through the end of this video. So this is another one that looks like a disc, a compass disc. So we're going to have that somewhere up here. So what else? Yeah, for the letters, you're going to see letters A to Z somewhere around here. So I'm just going to pick letter B. Alright. Also going to reduce the side and place it somewhere around here. So for numbers too, we are going to go ahead and look for numbers. Okay, let's use number 8. Alright, I guess we basically selected them. Okay, this is star. You can see there are many other shapes as you want. So but we are not going to be exploring that. After this video, you can take your time to explore it out yourself. Alright, let's get down to the most interesting part of this video, which is adding the images into the mask. So how do we do that? I'm going to go to uploads. This is the particular image I want to use over here. So all you have to do is drag and drop the image inside of it, that is on top of that frame. Watch. So to edit the image, you have to double click on it, and you'll be able to move the image to right about where you want it to be cropped, and boom, that's it. So let's go on and drag and drop into the other frames so you see how it looks like. Can you see? So I'm going to be fast a bit at this point. Drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and so drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. You see, it's really that easy. Just have to keep dragging and dropping. So make sure you are dropping on top of the frame you want it to go. So drag and drop, drag and drop. So can you see that now? Okay, I think it's remaining the mobile screen, so you drag and drop. So for you to edit the image, can you see the one on the mobile screen? At this point it's not really showing the guy's face, so I want you to show his face. All you have to do is go in, click on select the phone, double click, and you begin to edit your image. You can move it, resize it to the proportion you want. You can scale it and also reduce it depending on what you want. So I think I like it like this, and that's it. If this video was helpful, do ensure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video so that others like you can also benefit from this. See you in my next video.